Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all, we have to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. So if you've got the gestures, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. If you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with the 3 bars icon, and here we've got the recents. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on close all actually. And now we can open the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.